Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create Google Form on Android phone. So let's get started. First, head over to your browser. Now search up Google Forms. Then click the second link right here. Google Forms Online Form Creator. Now click Go to Forms. And from here, you can start creating your form. You can put a title, you can put a description of the title, you can put a question, you can change the question type. And yeah, so just create your form now, however you like. And once you're done with that, you can share your Google form to your friends or whoever. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.